is to stand up and talk for my rights. I know what that is. See? And I don't care who the guy is. Because my right is my right.
Get up, stand up for your right.
Ask the Lawyer with Brian Figeroux, founder and senior partner at the law firm of Figeroux and Associates. Mr. Figeroux opened his private practice in downtown Brooklyn in 1996. He specializes in personal injury, immigration, matrimonial law, bankruptcy, and wills and estate planning, with a strong emphasis on litigation matters. Ask the Lawyer features Brian's legal advice as he answers the listeners' questions and shares his insights in achieving your goals and objectives. Every week, Ask the Lawyer also features interviews and guests related to Mr. Figeroux's interests outside the law. Guests and topics include health and wellness, the civil rights war, music production, writers, as well as international and local political and religious leaders. Wide-ranging, fun, informative radio. That's Ask the Lawyer with Brian Figeroux. Ask the Lawyer any question you like via email at bfigeroux@msn.com. That is bfigeroux@msn.com for legal advice regarding specific situations. Appointments at the office will be made when you call 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Please note that submitting questions do not create an attorney-client relationship.
Yes, this is Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got the answers. Whatever your legal issue or concern, call us right now for a free, no obligation legal consultation. The number to call, the number to share, and the number to keep is 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or you can visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. Prevention is better than cure. Making legal decisions without the advice from an attorney is like Russian roulette. You don't know when you will die. You don't know what is coming next. Mr. Figeroux?
Good day. My name is Brian Figeroux of Figeroux and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. Prevention is better than cure. What does that mean? You have to take precautions in your life, especially now with the pandemic. KKK Russian Trump says, don't wear a mask, basically. And obviously that's not good for your health. Is entering a marriage when you have certain assets a bad idea if you don't have a prenup agreement? Or are you getting married to this young lady, this gentleman? They love you so badly, but all they want is a green card. Now, you may not know. They are in a desperate situation. And as soon as that green card, permanent green card, comes in the mail, even before they even get the permanent green card, their behavior change. What was love is no longer love. And you are in a dilemma. Why did you think that that handsome young man or that beautiful young lady would love you? You couldn't get a spouse in your life, and all of a sudden you found love. But what was that love all about? So some people, whether now, in the past, whatever, they found love. They had children sometimes with the person, thinking, hey, it's all love, when the underlying reason was a green card. Yes. Why would you put someone's name on a deed and They just came into your life. So when we talk about deed transfers and you put in someone's name on an asset, why would you do it? Why? Because you cannot remove that person's name from the deed unless they cooperate with you afterwards. So people make a mistake. Let me put my son, let me put my daughter, let me put my wife, let me put my husband. But they were not around when you were at the closing. They were not around when you put all that money down. But what you did is give them a gift. You didn't know it when you did the deed transfer because either you didn't get legal advice or you didn't listen, or maybe you should have had more than one consultation. These are some of the issues that we deal with at Figeroux and Associates, Ask the Lawyer, where people come and say, man, I should have spoken to you. Oh man, I listened to you, but I just didn't have time to come and talk to you. And it's kind of ironic because you're getting a free consultation. You don't have the time. We are making time to make your life better. But you don't have the time to call and speak with the attorney, or you don't have time to come to the office of the attorney and bring certain documents. The person who is benefiting with a free consultation is you. Yeah. And again, prevention is better than cure. When we make decisions without research, which is what attorneys do, when you make decisions and you lack experience and the attorney has those experience, you benefit from the experience of an attorney. For 25 years, Figeroux and Associates, Ask the Lawyer, has operated its law practice here in New York City. Imagine all the experience. And sometimes, even though our great Bible says trust no one, I would say to you, you could trust your lawyer, but you can't trust your spouse. I would say to you, you could trust your lawyer, but you can't trust your mama. Because the attorney is giving you advice based on facts and law. Your family give you advice on relationships. You're my wife, you should do this. You're my son, you should do this. You're my uncle, you should do this. But at the end of the day, that's not the rationale an attorney uses to give you advice. He uses the law and his experience in that particular area of law. My name is Brian Figeroux of Figeroux and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. A lot of us come from communities where, hey, no such law exists, or people don't even talk to a lawyer. All that time you had in Jamaica, Trinidad, Barbados, Nigeria, wherever, did you have a reason to speak with an attorney? For the most part, no. But you immigrated to America, or you now live in America. You might have been here all your life. But the U.S. is a litigious society. Everyone wants some sort of agreement, a contract for this, a contract for that. Okay, a lease agreement for a restaurant. What are the issues associated with it? Are you going to have a bar? Is the restaurant close to a church? Those are some of the simpler issues before the pandemic. But now, as things get heated in terms of the virus and the presidential elections, we are making decisions that are critical to our lives and more frustrations in our life. But you cannot make decisions instantly. The attorney has to listen to the facts, do the legal research, get back to you. And obviously there's a cost involved with legal research. So if you have an immigration issue, what are the complexities? If you go to an interview, even though you now get married to the person, should you put that person's name on your deed? No. But the immigration officer may ask, well, why didn't you put your wife on the deed? Why didn't you put your husband on the deed? And sometimes I wonder what is wrong with these immigration officers. Because you marry someone doesn't mean that you want to give them everything that you have worked all your life for. Just like that. Yes, because you may think that the motive is love, but it could be something else. And with all the issues surrounding KKK, Russian, Trump's anti-immigrant approach, some people may think that they are legally obligated to do certain things, but they're not. We have a pandemic, as I said before. How old are you? Do you have the risk factors? Are you doing any wills and estate planning? Do you trust that someone will give things to your children rather than their children before yours? So there's a lot of facts that you have to get when you prepare a will. You need to know, okay, how do we protect the people who you may want to give certain things to, from maybe a stepmother or a stepfather. People continue to be married sometimes. A simple, uncontested divorce means that, hey, you could actually give your inheritance even though you don't have an estate plan, because what will happen is, if you're married to someone, no children, 50,000 plus a third, that's what she or he gets if you pass. So sometimes we say on this program, the best estate plan, wills and estate plan, is a divorce. And these issues are even more serious in these times. So do not underestimate what we talk about here each and every week on Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. Additionally, our website is very comprehensive. What does that mean? You could actually read about matrimonial issues, immigration issues, and other issues on our website so that you could actually know some of the questions that you should ask the lawyer. Doesn't that make sense? And sometimes we do not want to put aside the time to do research on our own issue, either because we're too lazy or we are uneducated. Well, it's an opportunity to educate yourself on our website. It's an opportunity to educate yourself when you speak with the lawyer. Again, this is Ask the Lawyer. My name is Brian Figeroux of Figeroux & Associates. Give us a call. Our number is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Our website is www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. Visit our website, do some research, give us a call. And most of our consultations now is by telephone. How convenient for you. Again, our number is 855-768-8845. 855-768-8845. Our website, www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our free paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.